Hi, how do you really need to start a business online, but the thought and cost of building a website has hindered you from making the move? I want to tell you that you don't need a website to get started, especially if you're selling a digital product. All you need is a landing page builder to collect email addresses in exchange for a lead magnet from your subscribers. That's it. And by the way, I have a video on how you can use AI to build a website for you in minutes. You can check it out here. But without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I want to introduce you to Systeme.io. It's a beginner-friendly software and free platform you can use to get started, make sales, and then pivot to a paid version. The free platform really is all you need to get started and get your business moving. And you may never really need to do a paid version if you want to keep things very simple. And you can check out the link in the description to sign up and launch your first landing page. So I'll be showing you my screen on how you can get started with Systeme.io. Call with me. So we're currently on System's website, and I will just sign in to take me straight to my dashboard because I have like an account here. So I want to show you the plan. So I'll go to settings and plan. I was telling you about the free plan I can start with. So look at it. Right, this is $0 per month. And what does it come with? 2,000 email lists as contact, 3 sales funnels, 15 funnel steps, 1 blog, 1 course, 1 email campaign. Trust me, this is all you need to start, right? But if you're already an experienced business owner, you have up to 5,000 contacts, you can go to the startup phase or the webinar phase of 10,000 or the unlimited phase of $97 per month. Trust me, this prices are one of the best you can see in the market compared to any other email service provider you are going to try out. So this is it for the plan. So let me show you how you can build your first landing page. You just go to funnels, which I just clicked, and go to create. So you name your funnel. I can call it YouTube, but this is a YouTube video I'm doing. I'll call it YouTube test, right? And then there are 4 funnel options. Your funnel domain, if you have your own domain name, you can put your domain name in this funnel domain, but typically it takes your email address and put it as your username, then .systeme.io. Then your funnel goal, if you want to sell, like you have product to sell online, you can use this. If you're trying to build an audience, that means you're trying to just get emails, right, to build your list so you can remarket to them, build audience. If you want to build a funnel from scratch, you can choose this. If you want to run an evergreen webinar, you can choose this. And also you have the option to choose your currency. For the sake of this video, let me use Canadian dollars. And then I will choose the funnel goal of building an audience because I just want to build a simple landing page to get email addresses, right? And maybe tempt my customers with a very good lead magnet. And I can click save. And voila, that is already provided. That's been created. And I can just click on YouTube test. And these are already pre-built templates that you can use already for your business. Let us scroll through the gallery and see all we have. Like, these are very lovely, and you can preview them easily by previewing template. If this is what you want to adopt, you just edit it and get it moving. And let's keep going. There's a particular one I'm looking for. Yeah, this is it. I can select this, and then it's been populated into my domain, and I can now edit this page. So now this is what it looks like, right? This is very already built for you. If you're a fitness person, you don't have so much work to do. You can just improve, you can just edit this, right? But even if you're a business person, you can say ready to, improve your business. You can do a lot of things here. You can come over here. Let's say you can change this very easily. You can change the color of this. This is easy to change. You can change it right here. Maybe you want to put it in green, and that's what it looks like here. And you can easily revert by going back to this, right? And you can add a video here already. Your video comes in here, and this is your video. Maybe it's a YouTube video you're trying to put in. And let me just go to my video and put my YouTube video link here. And it comes over here, and probably I want to just put my YouTube video link, and it takes me there. So you need an expensive web designer to build a website.
If this,
Neither do you need to spend all your time learning how.
I'll come over here to this area and just put this link in here. And it comes over here. I can just easily preview the changes and it pops up, So these are very easy things you can do, right? And probably I don't want to use this. I just revert to how we were before. So you can do this. You can drag and drop. You can drag and drop images as you want to drag them, and you can edit them the way you want to edit them. But I want to show you an easier way to build these websites so that you don't waste so much time. As I told you already, there are already a lot of things on this page and they seem like a lot. So I'm going to delete them. These sections are here. I can just easily delete this section very easily. I can delete this section very easily. And this is even, we can even edit this and put maybe our team. You can do that, but I'm not going to use that. I want to show an easier way to build this website so that you don't waste so much time, or build your landing pages so you don't waste so much time on this. So I'm just making this a very brief page, right? So I come to blocks here and I will just choose opt-in forms, and there are quite a number of opt-in forms that I use already. This looks very exciting. I might just use this and it comes over here, and I can easily just move it to the top and it comes above this, and I can then delete this page because I don't need it anymore, right? So this is already done for me, right? But we're not done yet. So I'm not going to ask for phone numbers. If I'm trying to do this, I'll just maybe probably take away phone numbers. I can leave it if I want to, and I can change this to maybe, let me see, this is get the code. I can change the text over here to get access. I can tweak it to whatever I want it to be, right? And I can also come to blocks and probably even look for testimonials, because people want to see testimonials on your page. So I can put the testimonials here, right? So people can see testimonials, and I can delete this already, delete this section. Maybe I don't want to see it anymore. See, this is here. And then I can customize this to the best that I want. I can make this, change this to testimonials. I can change this to whatever I want it to be. So I can change this to testimonials by just clicking here and probably write testimonials in block layers. And I'll just highlight this and this is where you can edit the coloring. I can make it this color, and let's just click on this and I'll just highlight this one more time. Click on it. And so it has given me like testimonials. I can delete this and delete this as well. Just delete this. And this is what it looks like, right? And you can also come over here and change this to how it suits you. Okay? Then maybe this image is not what you want to do. You can click on the image and look for a certain image. You can actually download from your desktop or anywhere, right? And let's say I want to use this image, for instance. Let's go with this image. I go to my images and I see the image there and I use it, right? The image doesn't look good. I can just move it around, move it around to see what is the best, how it suits me best. Maybe I just come over here and scale without cropping and I move it, so it looks good like this, right? And I can go back to blocks here and maybe I'm looking for a page header. Probably I'll just come with this and the page header is here already, and I can move this section upwards, keep moving it up, right? And it's actually here, right? So maybe I want to put in my logo. I probably might just click on this and go into this. I'll look for if I have any logo anywhere. I can say, okay, let me choose this logo already downloaded here. And I can easily click on this logo and then reduce the image size, right? So this is just for you to, and of course, that background might not be what I want to deal with. So maybe I want to change the background color of this. I just click on this, the background, and I'll just go to background color here, and I'll choose white so it looks better here, right? And I can also do that for this. Background color is white. And yeah, it looks okay right now, right? And you can also change this to whatever you want it to be. You can make this menu, as the case may be, and you just edit this to what you want it to be. So that's just a simple way of building your landing pages, right? So you can see that this is easily a drag and drop. You don't need to do so much here. You can edit this to whatever you want to do. You can change anything here, change the coloring, by just adjusting this. So you should play around with this. I just don't want to make this video very long, but if you play around with this, you can make a very beautiful website or landing page in a very short time. So just let me know what you think about this. Will you be trying Systeme.io? And I can show you the next level, the next phase, which is to build like your thank you page. But we can preview this website very easily here by previewing it. I can see that this is already looking very okay. Like this is very good, right? And I mean, you can do this in a very short time. You don't need to spend too much time trying to build a website. So just leave a comment for me and let me know what you think about this. Thank you.